Get ready, because today we are not just looking at another motorhome. We are stepping into the future of luxury travel. The 2026 Kenworth W 900 Futuristic Luxury Motorhome, a bold reinvention of a trucking legend. Here on Honest Auto Wheels, I am giving you the complete review of this masterpiece, a machine that merges the iconic presence of Kenworth with next-level comfort, technology, and unstoppable power. The first thing you notice is the commanding exterior. The classic W900 silhouette enhanced with futuristic aerodynamics, chrome lines that shine like liquid silver, and advanced LED strips glowing across the body to make it look alive at night. This is not just a motorhome. It is a statement of strength and innovation. Step inside and you enter a space that feels more like a private jet than a road machine. Soft leather seating with intelligent memory, glass panels letting light pour across the cabin, and mood lighting that transforms every ride into a personal experience. The living space is designed with detail, featuring a modern lounge, convertible dining, and a smart kitchen loaded with automated appliances that respond to voice commands. Every inch is built for convenience and elegance. The bedroom is a sanctuary on wheels, with a king-sized adaptive bed, entertainment wall, and refined storage, while the bathroom offers rainfall showers and premium fittings that rival luxury hotels. Powering this giant is a hybrid diesel-electric engine, delivering massive torque with improved efficiency, letting you cross highways or mountains with equal confidence. The adaptive suspension makes every journey smooth, while AI-assisted drive modes adjust instantly to your environment. Safety is equally advanced with 360-degree monitoring, predictive navigation, and biometric locks for ultimate security. Technology inside is futuristic, with holographic displays, satellite connectivity, and full AI assistance for comfort, climate, and navigation. The 2026 Kenworth W 900 is not just about travel, it is about redefining freedom. It represents a future where strength, luxury, and sustainability ride together. For dreamers who demand more than the ordinary, this is the motorhome that brings the future today. And on Honest Auto Wheels, I can say without doubt, this is one of the most breathtaking machines ever built.